Hey, hello. Today we're going to look at the Singleton design pattern. This will be a quick one. A Singleton is just a class that can only be instantiated once. There can only be one object of this class ever in play, and it provides a way for other code to access that one instance. Today we're going to look at the Bill Pugh implementation. There are different ways to go about this, but this is just what I'm going to demonstrate today. So last time, I'll link to this in the description, we were doing our factory design pattern, and these bolter manufactorum and plasma, these really should be, at least in the concept of 40K, there should only be one of these, right? So here we're doing it the classic, just call the constructor. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead here and make a private constructor. I never defined one in here, but you don't have to explicitly give a constructor. If you don't, Java just creates a no-args constructor for you. But if I go ahead and do a private constructor, we're going to see that we are now going to get a compilation error. Let me get rid of all this. Because now it's saying that it can't see this constructor. It's private, so there's no way to call this. It says it wants me to change the visibility to public. That defeats the purpose of this. So we're going to do a few things. Whoops, sorry. We're going to do a few things. First, we're going to make this final, this class, so that you can't extend it in any child classes. And then we are going to make a static class, a nested class inside of here. That's just going to be called instance holder. Cool. And it's only going to have one property. It's going to be a private static bolter manufactorum, and we're just going to call it instance. And here we're going to call the private constructor manufactorum. So cool, now we have this, but we need a way to access this, this instance, so we're just going to make a public static method that returns the bolter manufactorum, and we're just going to call it getInstance. And we are going to return this nested instance, instanceholder.instance. Really? Whew. I spelled it wrong, that's why. And there we go. That should be it. So to demonstrate this, let me get rid of our override here. We did that to our toString. We're going to get rid of that. So we have our default, so it'll just show me in memory. And then instead of calling a constructor, we're just going to call that method because it's static. We don't need to instantiate something to call a static method. So bolter manufactorum dot get instance. And now I can demonstrate that this works by printing this out, and you'll see it gives me, it gives me a location in memory. So, what did I do? So now let's try to create another one. We'll say .2, this will be BM, and this will be BM2. And we'll see that even though we tried to do this twice, we're actually just pointing to the same place in memory. So that is our Bill Pugh implementation of a Singleton, nice and quick today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.